Here Nana, today I discuss very useful for ray diagrams to solve the problems. Ray diagrams for concave mirror. Okay? First diagram Nana. The first condition is object at infinity. Once again I repeat Nana. Ray diagram for concave mirror Nana. Here object at infinity. First I discuss this is the principal axis, this is the concave mirror. Here light fall. This is silvering coating. Okay, this is here light ray. Here fall. Look here, all of you. Here object at infinity means the rays coming from sun. Sun is a bigger object, so that's why object size is very high. These rays are here reflected, meet at this point. Here this is the image. Image formed at principal focus. Here look here, object at infinity. Image ekkada form ayindi? Focus. Image formed at principal focus. Look here this is the object. This is the object, this is the image. Both are same so that's why both are same Here one minute look here, look here. Here reflected, this is the image look here. This is object this is image. Both are invert that means ila unte erect ila unte invert. That means the image is head, ikkada head is. That means the image is inverted. Final image ekkada form ayindi? Principal focus. Vachina image inverted image inverted image. And again these rays are meet at principal focus. Okay, this is called what? Pole. Vachina final image is inverted, and again these are real rays, so vachina image real image real image. Here this is the size of the object. Size of the object means the rays coming from infinity distance, that is the object name is sun. So sun is a very bigger size, but the image is formed smaller size, so the image is diminished image. Diminished means compared to object, the size of the image is small, so the size of the image is called small, is called diminished. Okay, next I discuss very useful second concept to here. Here object placed, next condition object placed between infinity to C. C is called what? Center of curvature. Look here this diagram. Look here. This is the concave mirror according to question. In the chapter, for example, this is principal focus Here this is called center of the curvature Here light coming from infinity distance. That for example here this is the C here infinity. The object placed according to question infinity to C, that means beyond the C This is the object. Generally object denoted by OJ object. Okay, here these rays are here look here, these rays are reflected in the mirror these rays are reflected in the mirror. Here final image is formed here image IG. Look here final image ekkada form ayindi according to diagram? Between C and F object infinity, image formed at focus. Object between infinity to C, final image formed between C and F Here final image formed between C and principal focus. And this image also inverted image, and this image also real image. Compare the size of the object idi, size of the image idi. So that's why here also the image is diminished. Diminished means small size compared to object. Next concept nana, next ray diagram. Look here nana. Okay. Next third point. First point object infinity. Second point object placed between C and infinity. Next point object placed at C. Object placed at C nana. That means this is the mirror nana. This is principal axis. This is called C. C is called center of the curvature. Here look here. Object placed at C nana. Look here. This is the object. Generally object denoted by OJ. Here this is the principal focus. Here object illuminate the light. In the chapter name ray optics. In the chapter light propagated in the form of straight lines nana. Look here. Look here nana. Light here fall and reflected nana. Reflected here. Here. Reflected here. This is the image. According to diagram, object and image formed on the object and image formed same point nana. That means object at C. Object at C. Image also formed at C nana. Once again I repeat. Object at C nana. Object at C nana. Image formed at C nana. That means object at C, automatically image also C. According to diagram, వచ్చిన image ఏంటి అంటే real image, and again this is also called as inverted. This is the object, this is the image, and image size always equal to the image size is always equal to the size of the object. In the first case, the image is diminished. Second case, the image also diminished, but the object placed at the center of curvature, the image size is equal to size of the object. Okay. Next condition, nana, fourth condition. Here, object placed between F and C nana. This is the principal axis. This is the concave mirror nana. This is the principal focus. This is the center of curvature. Here object placed between the C and F nana. C and F rays are here nana. Here look here. Here rays are reflected. Here nana. Here look here. Object placed between the C and F. The image is formed. This is the image nana. Image is formed. Image is formed beyond the C nana. Object placed between the C and F. Image formed beyond the C. Beyond the C. Image formed beyond the C nana. Beyond the C. And this image also nana real image, because all real lines are meet at a single point, and this image also inverted. According to diagram, the size of the image compared to object more nana. Look here. This is the size of the object. This is the size of the image. Size of the image increases. That is called magnified image. Magnified means in the chapter size of the image is increases. Diminished means size of the image is decreases. Okay. Nana, in these four cases to observe them, object moves towards the mirror, image moves away from the mirror. And again say one point is I noticed, that point is object and image both are in front of the mirror. Object and image both are formed in the concave mirror, same side, that is called in front of the mirror. These four diagrams. And next another more diagram. Fifth diagram is, look here nana. Fifth diagram nana. Look here. This is the concave mirror nana. Look here. This is called principal axis nana. Here this is called pole. At the center point of the mirror is called, on the mirror is called pole. This line is called principal axis, and this point is called principal focus. this is called center of curvature. Here object placed object placed at the focus. First case lo object at infinity, next case lo object placed between C and infinity, third case object at C, next case object between C and F, last case object at focus. Object at focus nana, look here nana, look here nana, these rays are reflected, look here, both reflected rays are parallel, that means final image also infinity nana, final image also infinity. Look here, this is the object nana, this is image according to microscope nana, this is object, this is image. According to microscope, both are inverted nana, that means here also image is inverted, and but magnified, very magnified image is formed nana. Once again, object at infinity, image formed at focus, object at focus, image formed at infinity. All are inverted images, all are real images, some cases diminished, some cases magnified, all are revised in the textbook. Okay, next nana, last diagram, very important diagram nana, sixth diagram. Look here nana, this is the concave mirror diagrams nana, ray diagrams. This is the principal axis, center point of the mirror on the mirror is called pole, this is called principal focus, this is called center of curvature. Here object placed, in the previous case object placed at focus, antamundu object placed between C and F, object placed at C, object placed between C and infinity, object at infinity. Here this is the object nana, here object nana, look here, these are here nana, here these rays are backly extended, look here nana, look here, this is the final image nana, final image. According to this diagram, this is the object nana, this is the image. Both are erected nana, that means not inverted, head lane undi kada kabatti. In this case both the images are erected images, that means here the image always compared to object erected, and again this is the object, this is the image, that means here magnified, that means size of the image compared to object increases, and these are extended lines nana, extended lines image is called virtual image. In the previous 5 cases, object in left side of the mirror and image also left side in the mirror, that is also called as in front of the mirror, but here object is in front of the mirror, image formed behind the mirror, that means object in left side of the mirror, image formed in the right side of the mirror, here image formed, once again I repeat now, image is formed on right side of the mirror. This image is called virtual image, okay, magnified image, erected image. So that's why this can be here erected image. అందుకే నానా in the dentist బాగా దగ్గరగా పెడతారు నానా, మిర్రర్ దగ్గరగా పెడితే ఆ టీత్ బిగ్గరగా కనిపిస్తుంది, డస్ట్ మొత్తం రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. So that's why concave mirrors can be majorly used as a shaving mirrors, and also dentist nana, these mirrors are also used in the headlights in a car also nana. Okay, these are ray diagrams for concave mirror. Next nana, ray diagrams of convex mirror. Okay, next nana, only 2 diagrams is there, the 2 diagrams I give nana. Ray diagram for look here now, ray diagram for convex mirror nana. In this topic, we discuss mainly ray diagram for convex mirror. Only two cases nana. Look here. This is the convex mirror nana. This axis is called principal axis. Center point on the mirror is called pole. This is called focus nana. Here, object placed at any point nana. Look here. For example, object here. For example, this is the object nana. Here, this is the object. Okay. Object coming from infinity. Sorry nana. Object coming from infinity nana. Look here. This is the object nana. Coming from infinity means the rays are called sun rays nana. Fall on the mirror nana. It will be diverge nana, because convex mirror acts as a diverging mirror. That means the distance between the reflected rays increase here. Okay. These rays are extended. Extended nana. Look here. Here, final image is formed. This is IZ nana. This is the object nana. This is the image according to microscope. Here, both are erected. That means image and object same. That is called erected image. And again, this is called diminished image nana. And that means convex mirrors always to produce the diminished image nana. Diminished image. And again, diminished image nana. Erected image and diminished image. And these are extended lines nana. Extended lines means virtual image. And another notice is in this convex mirror, object in left side, image formed on the right side. But in the concave mirror, first 5 positions, object left side, image also left side. But sixth position is object between the pole and focus. The image is formed on the right side. Only concave mirror, all diagrams indicate object left side, image also left side. That means object in front of the mirror, image also in front of the mirror. Okay. Here, look here nana. Okay. Here nana. That means these concave mirror produce the erected image nana. Last diagram, second diagram nana. Here, this is the convex mirror nana. Look here. Here, convex mirror. This is called principal axis nana. Here, for example, at any position, here, this is the object nana. Object, illuminate the light nana. Look here. Okay. These are diverge nana. Diverge here. Okay. These are diverge nana here. These are extended here. Image is formed nana. వచ్చిన ఇమేజ్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా కాన్వెక్స్ వల్ల వచ్చిన ఇమేజ్ ఎరెక్టెడ్ ఇమేజ్ నానా. ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ లైన్స్ కాబట్టి వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ నానా. అండ్ డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్ నానా. కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ ఆల్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఇండికేట్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్. అండ్ వచ్చే ఇమేజ్ ఏంటి? వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్. This is a erected image. Nana here diminished image kabatti these mirrors as used as a side mirrors of the car nana. Vehicles. Side mirrors ante enaka nunchi vache vehicle పెద్ద లారీ కూడా చిన్న మిర్రర్లో కనిపిస్తుంది, కంప్లీట్ లారీ. దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్ నానా. సో దట్స్ వై బికాస్ ఆఫ్ డిమినిష్డ్ ఇమేజ్ అండ్ ఎరెక్టెడ్ ఇమేజ్, that's why these convex mirrors as used as a side mirrors in the vehicles. Okay, next class I discuss R and F relations, radius of curvature, focal length relation, and mirror equation also I derive in the next class, coming classes.